Innovative prevented, fixing Shopify domain issues, no tech skills needed. 1. Domain not connected or shows can't reach. Fix, use Shopify's built-in setup wizard. Go to Shopify admin settings, domains. Click connect existing domain. Enter your domain, e.g. yourstore.com. Click verify connection. Shopify will auto-check DNS settings and guide you. Tip: if it says domain not verified after 10 plus mins, contact your domain provider support and ask, can you help me update the A record to Shopify's IP 23.227.38.65? 2. SSL pending or not secure. Fix, enable SSL automatically. Shopify issues free SSL certificates. To trigger this, 1. Wait up to 48 hours after connecting your domain. 2. Refresh your Shopify domains page. 3. If SSL still is pending, remove and re-add the domain. Don't worry, you don't need to install or buy SSL, Shopify does it for you. 3. Redirect issues. www. Fix. Set primary domain. Go to settings, domains. Choose a primary domain, e.g. www.yourstore.com. Tick redirect all traffic to this domain. This avoids split traffic and SEO issues. 4. Email not working after domain setup. Fix. Use email hosting services. Shopify doesn't host email, but you can use Zoho free, Google Workspace paid. Ask your email provider, can you help me set up email using my Shopify domain? They'll give you simple copy-paste DNS records. 5. Still stuck? Use Shopify live chat. Visit help.shopify.help.shopify.com. Ask, can you help me fix my domain setup? A real Shopify rep will walk you through step by step. No tech skills needed. Recap, issue, fix. WWME fix my domain not connecting. Use Shopify Wizard or up 3.2738.65. SSL pending. Wait 48H, resh, or re-add domain. www vs non-www redirect. Set primary domain and enable redirect. Email not working. Use Zoho Gmail. Paste records into Shopify DNS. Totally stuck? Use Shopify live chat support. Would you like a YouTube script?